Hello friend, today I'm going to take you along with me in my autumn effortless style, and I'm going to show you 8 different styles that are very beautiful for this autumn. I had dressed myself in this autumn blouse, and I will show you step by step how to recreate this style. So if you want to create the style, the first, if your hair is very fine, what I suggest is to let you shampoo and dry your hair naturally. You want to let your hair dry naturally. And then when your hair is almost dry, you're going to take your hair and you're going to put your hair upside down like this. You will use your hands. Again, do not dry your hair and do not comb your hair. And so your hair is a little bit damp, but it's not quite dry, okay? So you're going to twist your hair like that, and you're going to take a scrunchie, and then you're going to wrap your hair like this and leave it on like this for as long as you need to fix and work on this style. So your hair is going to have lots of volume because you put your hair upside down and you didn't comb your hair. You do not want to comb your hair. You want to just use your finger, put your head upside down and twist it in a bun and just put a scrunchie like I did. After you are done, you want to take this out. And now you do have lots of volume. Now, if your hair is very fine, then I'll suggest that you do some teasing. So there's a way to tease the hair using your fingers, and you will take your hair forward like this, and then you hold your hair like this at 90 degrees angle, and just with the tip of your finger, go back and forth. And look at that volume that you have. Go back and forth. Just with your finger, just like this. So you're going to take this piece, and you're going to take this piece, and do the same. So back and forth, back and forth. Now I want to show you the left hand so you can see. So then you come a little bit using your finger. Now you're going to go, I'm going to turn you around so you can see. Now you're going to take both pieces in here and softly just put them in here like that. And you will take a bobby pin and pin it. Just like that. Now you want to hold your hair like this because you will use one hand. With one hand you want to use it, and with the other hand just put the bobby pin secure. So now you can leave this like this down. And now if you notice the top of my hair, I have down what we call a pin curl. Long time we used to do the pin curl, and there is reason for that. And if you want that, all you do is to turn this around, twist it when your hair is damp, and then you put a barrette, a large barrette and flat barrette, and you leave this. This is, you see how nice and curly. So you take a short piece of hair and a long piece of hair and wrap it together, and the other one you're going to just leave it like this. Okay, so we're going to leave this for now because we're going to be working with the back. So this is something that you want to keep in mind, to keep this like that. And then you have your first style for the autumn. So you're going to take this out. Now you're taking this out, and then you will use your finger to leave this nice and soft. Now you can leave it, you can put your bang, if you have a full bangs, you can use a full bangs like that, or you can bring it to whatever side you like, and you see the curl, and you can spray in here, put your hand above your eyes in here, and then you have this. This you want to leave just like that. Okay, so now let's go and work with the second style. The second style, you want to take that hand, the right hand, whatever hand you feel comfortable, and you're going to move your hair to the side, and with these two fingers, I'm going to bring this up. With this other hand, I'm going to take a bobby pin and then I'm going to fix this like that. Now, we need to have more than one bobby pin because the hair is thick. I took a big section right here. So now you have this, but you may want to secure more. So now this is secure. Now you're going to take this softly. You're going to twist this, twist it just like that, just like that, just like that. Keep on twisting, keep on twisting, keep on twisting. I'm going to turn around and do this again. With one hand, you're going to turn it, turn it, turn it. No pressure, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, turn it, all the way down. Then you're going to take this, you're going to turn it around, and then you're going to take this, turn it this, so this goes up, and this hand right here comes and just fold it like you will have a sandwich right there. So then you're going to put a bobby pin again to make sure it is secure. Then you have you want to make more bobby pin in here to make this is secure. So this is down. Now this, since the back is down, we would want to have this up. Since we have the back down, you could put this up like this and put a pretty barrette. You would want to have a barrette that is a similar color to whatever you are wearing. Or you can use a bobby pin like this. Just take it nicely and just leave it just like that. Now we have our second style like that. Now we're going to do the third style, and I'm going to show you. Going to take this off. And now we're going to, again, we're going to take this piece of hair in here and just leave it there because it's already curled. Now, if you need to curl this hair a little bit more, you could do it. If you want it fine, you could do it. If you want it last, you could do it. It's up to you what you want. But for this style, this is very soft, this is a very free. It's similar to almost perfect. That's what we call the effortless style. So you're going to take your both hand like this, and you're going to pick up your hair. You're going to put your hand like this at the bottom in here, and you're going to put your hair up. Gonna put your hair up. Now you're gonna take your hair like this, twist it again, and wrap it inside and here. And you're going to put some bobby pin. You will need to put as many bobby pin that you need to make it secure. So now you have this. This has to be very, very loose because this is the style. So this is not the style that things are very, very tight and stiff. It's a very, very loose style. So now you have your third look. Okay, so now I'm gonna share with you this vent brush. If your hair is very, very fine, you would want to use perhaps a vent brush. A vent brush is usually utilized to give lots of volume. So you can't brush it like this. If you did want lots of volume, you would use a vent brush to create volume. But my hair is already naturally wavy and curly, but a vent brush usually it's a very good brush. Not only that, it stimulates the scalp. You will want to use this brush when the hair is dry, fully dry. But it's also very good to give lots of volume. And what is very good, this brush, is when you want to brush the hair, you see how it nicely looks like very, very soft. And it will just distribute the hair the way you want. Another things you could do is, as you want to close your eyes, of course, as you brush your hair the way you want to do it, you hold that brush straight like this, and then you fold your hair, and there you have it. You see how I did? I just brushed the hair and spray at the same time. So then I have my bangs the way I want, a little bit. You see how this style is very, very, very loose. Nothing is just perfectly, but it's so semi-perfectly. This is what we call the effortless style. This is a very good style. You can go out. This can go in any occasion. It's very easy to work with. Okay, so then you would want to spray a little bit, and there you have your style. You could put this up if you want to. If you did want to have this up, if you wanted to have, you could spray this, and you can have this and just tuck it in a little bit and just have just this little piece of hair done, and that it's okay. Just use your finger to tuck. You see how I tuck the hair inside? Use your finger to tuck the hair inside, and there you have very soft, very smooth, very autumn. This is a very good. You can bring this down or you can bring this up, and you have a nice autumn look. So I hope they have enjoyed this video. This is Chantal Ponce, and this is my effortless autumn look for the 2023. I enjoy creating this video for you, and please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to put a like and leave me a comment. What do you like? What would you like to see next? So I see you next time, and this is Chantal Ponce. Au revoir, merci et à bientôt.